this is what we have. We have bell pepper, we have chicken breast, as well as tomato with our self-made tortilla wrap. Now I'm gonna assemble my wrap. So putting a bit of tomato in the middle. Okay. And a bit of chicken breast. It's caramelized with the onion, so it should taste really good. And a bit of bell pepper. So there's a lot of veggies, which I like. Okay. Not too much. A bit of mayo. Okay, now I'm gonna wrap this up. Okay, it's ready to go. Hi guys, welcome back to JJ Delights. What are we doing today?
So today we are doing a little bit different, okay? We are changing something up, doing a food challenge between my girlfriend and I, alright?
So today we are going to do a food challenge with our self-made burrito wrap.
And I do not want to hear anybody saying that I'm a guy, I'm eating the same amount as my girlfriend and I'm not giving her any chance. So let's do a handicap here, right? Okay? So the handicap is I will let her eat for 30 seconds first.
So I will start for the first 30 seconds and then he will start.
Yes.
Alright, so are you ready?
So obviously the fastest between us gonna win this food challenge, yeah? 30 seconds on the clock here. I'm gonna start after 30, alright? So you may begin anytime now.
Alright.
Ten more seconds and then I will start. Alright, 30 seconds, so I'll start now. Alright, the fastest to me. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so
The chicken is actually really yummy.
so
Come on. You're on the second one already? How would that be?
look at yours. Smaller than mine. Let's go. Actually very close.
Gosh. This is not easy. Seriously. Can't believe that I'm doing this.
Anybody's again now.
I can do this.
Done. Come on. See the time.
I'm so full.
I finished around the time around here. You will see. And she is about to finish in her last 2 bites. She actually did quite good though.
No laughing at me.
So I'll be cheerleading here to get her down for this last bite. Let's go, let's go.
I'm still trying.
Last bite. The tortilla is actually quite thick, so it's actually quite hard for us to take multiple bites. Right, last bite. Okay, There we go. Her time will be here. My time will be here. Alright. So, what do you think?
I'm super full.
It's quite filling. The whole thing actually weighs around this amount of calorie right here, and we finish it under like 10 minutes.
And because we cook quite a lot of chicken breast, it's really filling. It's not just the flour that we make the wrap. With the chicken, with the veggies, it's really filling, and it's 2 portions, you know. And we finish it, each of us 2 wraps. I think they're amazing.
Yes, and we actually stuff those wrap up.
It's a compact wrap. Congratulations, Jason.
Alright, so round 1, I'll take round 1. Let us know what else do you like to see? What a cooking challenge or food challenge that you would like to see between us.
Let us know in the comment box down below. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy our video.
Don't forget to give a like on this video if you like it. And don't forget to also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Yeah?
See you soon.
Bye.